Our day 12 drive is from Kolkata, West Bengal to Puri, Odisha, covering a distance of 509 kilometers. After breakfast, we left Lytton Hotel at 8:40 in the morning. We just left our hotel in Kolkata, that was Lytton Hotel, and we are on the way to Puri. It's a beautiful morning here in Kolkata. It will take roughly 10 hours to reach our hotel in Puri. We enjoyed our stay in Kolkata.
We are now crossing the Visakhapatnam Setu. It is a cable-stayed bridge. It is the second bridge over the Hooghly River after the Howrah Bridge, which is over there. I don't know if you can see it, but the Howrah Bridge is over there. We have just crossed Kharagpur. The first IIT was established in Kharagpur. It has the third longest railway platform of the world. This is the map. 7 hours 9 minutes to destination. 350 kilometers. That is the TPMS. No alerts till now. Weather is now cloudy. Driver is looking fresh.
We have just entered Odisha and we are 310 kilometers away from our hotel in Puri. Now onwards, I need to be extremely careful not to cross the speed limit, as I got multiple warning from friends that Odisha police is very much vigilant these days to curb overspeeding. We are on National Highway 16 and this is connecting Kolkata Chennai East Coast Highway. Our road is good mostly, but there are few places where some repairing work is going on and diversion. Now I need to watch out for speed limit boards and maintain speed properly to avoid speed tickets.
Now we are crossing the great river, the Mahanadi. It is the lifeline of Chhattisgarh and Odisha. The longest and multi-purpose dam, the Hirakot Dam, is built across this river. We are 1 hour 46 minutes away from destination. Weather is nice and sunny. Lots of speed cams are there in Odisha. Pilot is cautious about the speed.
We are now in Cuttack. It is the former capital of Odisha. It is the second largest city of Odisha. It is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's birthplace. It is known as the Millennium City or Silver City because of its famous silver filigree works. It is also famous for its Durga Puja, which is an important festival of Odisha. It is a peninsular city which is flanked by the river Mahanadi and the Katajori river. We are now crossing Bhubaneswar. It is the capital of Odisha. It is also the largest city of Odisha. Bhubaneshwar earned the nickname Temple City because about 700 temples once stood here. It also emerged as an educational hub of the state.
Just after 6 in the evening, we reached our hotel, Sakuntala Palace near Puri beach. During the evening, we visited Lord Jagannath Temple, Puri. This is our hotel in Puri, Sakuntala Palace. This is a budget hotel. Main reason for me to choose this hotel is that they assured me about secured car parking. You can see they have good enough space for car parking, and hotel is also a decent one. If you are traveling by car, you can opt for this budget hotel. We are now on sea beach Puri. This is very close to our hotels. You can see a lot of tourists are here to enjoy some time on the beach. Our day 14 drive is from Puri, Odisha to Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, covering a distance of 443 kilometers. Around 7:45 in the morning, we started from our hotel, Sakuntala Palace near Puri beach. We just left our hotel in Puri, which was very close to Puri beach. Now we are on the way to Visakhapatnam, which is roughly 8 hours drive from here. So we'll have a relaxed drive today, as we don't have any program after reaching Visakhapatnam. Tomorrow we'll try to visit naval museums and other defense museum close by. This is a toll booth on New Jagannath Road.
Now we are crossing the Chilika Lake. It is Asia's largest saltwater lake. It is located in the state of Odisha. It has a lots of flora, fauna and aquatic animals. Unfortunately, we are on the highway and have no chance of seeing the lake. We are 5 hours 47 minutes away from our next destination, which is Visakhapatnam. Over there is the TPMS and our pilot is fresh in red. This is National Highway 16. This highway connects Kolkata and Chennai.
We stopped for early lunch at Annapurna Hotel and Restaurant, Govindanagar, Odisha. We had biryani and kids opted for noodles. Food was good and washroom was fine. We restarted our journey after about an hour.
We are now crossing Srikakulam district in Andhra Pradesh. It is famous for the Srikulamam Temple, the only temple in the world where Lord Vishnu resides in the form of a tortoise. Srikakulam is also famous for many important stupas. It restores a cold climate even during summer season. This is why it's known as poor man's Uti. We have 2 hours 38 minutes to reach our hotel in Visakhapatnam. We have 150 kilometers to travel. That's the TPMS.
We reached Mantry's Hotel, VIP Road, just before 5 p.m.
We are now at Kursura Submarine Museum. Here is INS Kursura. She was India's 4th submarine. She was commissioned in 1969 and was decommissioned in 2001, where she was later converted into a museum. She played a key role of patrol missions in the Indo-Pakistan War in 1971.